You know, a long time ago, when I was thinking about going to college, a course such as bird watching appealed to me more than, say, chemistry or calculus. Well, if you're the same way, do I have a college for you?
At this Institute of Higher Learning, it's not the halls of ivy that attract students.
APT file.
It's lessons in forestry, or classes in water management, or a lab on wildlife telemetry to study animal behavior.
I love this school.
The campus setting for such coursework is almost perfect. Ely, Minnesota. Vermilion Community College has it all. Wilderness, lakes, rivers, iron mines, and plenty of wildlife species, including timber wolves, almost all within walking distance of campus.
The typical Vermilion student really likes the outdoors, and I think they're drawn to this area because of that, and I think they're also drawn to the college because of that. We have 14 or 15 different programs now. The two newest programs are the Professional Forest Harvester program and the Taxidermy program.
That's a black bear going up a tree.
Ben Sosniski is a new student with a different outdoor interest. He's a budding outdoor photographer. And at this school, Jim Brandenburg photos grace the walls.
This is a good place to build on some of my knowledge in wildlife and the wilderness, because that's really my passion. That's why I choose to write about it and photograph it.
A lot of the programs, especially the water programs for sure, which is what I'm in, they're all, half of it's based on getting outside, you know, and getting hands-on work.
Indeed, natural resource students don't attend class to watch sunsets. Young foresters, for example, discover the tough choices in managing a forest.
So it's also pretty much also your opinion what you are doing. This gives the basic knowledge of how to control and the eye-hand coordination of how to run these things.
Well, what we want to try to do is set up the telemetry equipment and try to get a test on the radio collar.
Wildlife students deal with both research and management.
I've always liked animals, and I didn't know if I wanted to be a vet. I just couldn't see myself doing anything else besides something outside. So I figured wildlife management.
No matter the subject, woods, water, or wildlife, students are still students at Vermilion College with typical student concerns.
The male to female ratio it's quite amazing, but you hear a lot of guys complain about there's not very many girls.
Another reason that I'd come up here is because I kind of wanted to get away from home a little bit, you know?
When your classroom is in the wilderness, you're probably safe from mom and dad.
My kind of school, too. Thanks for watching. Remember, introduce a kid to the great outdoors. I'm Ron Shera, and with me, the star of the show, Raven.